Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Omar. Today I am gonna show you how to fix any kind of liquid ink cartridge header block. If there is no use of a printer for long days, the header of cartridge of this printer become blocked. So if we refill ink in the cartridge, it does not work. Then we think that the cartridge never work again. Today I will show you the solution of it. Let's go for it. First of all, you need some elements. Those elements are easy to have. Those are portable hand spray pump, some water, and a bowl. Firstly, I uncovered the case of that printer and then pull out the cartridge. In my case, I found this problem on this cartridge. You can use this method any kind of liquid ink cartridge. Then I took some water in a bowl that height about 1 cm and then I wet the header of this cartridge about half an hour to 1 hour. After that I spray of the header directly with the portable hand spray. Then I refill ink after repeating the installation of that cartridge. Now it's time to check out. Let's check it. You can use this method in any kind of liquid ink cartridge header. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.